Are you looking for the best tabletop electric fireplaces? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best tabletop electric fireplaces on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ROVSUN 13-inch Electric Fireplace Stove. The ROVSUN 13-inch electric fireplace stove is a portable and compact indoor space heater that not only warms up your room but also serves as a great decoration. It has a realistic flame effect in 2 heat settings, 750W and 1500W, that allow for energy-efficient use. The stove is designed with safety in mind and includes a cut-off switch that turns off the unit if it overheats. With an overall dimension of 14.8-inch LX8W-X13H and a weight of 10.7 pounds, it is easy to move around the room. The product also comes with a 1-year warranty. What we like: realistic flame effect, 2 heat settings for energy-efficient use, safety features, including cut-off switch for overheating. Number 2. COSTWAY 13-inch Electric Fireplace Heater. The COSTWAY Mini Electric Fireplace is a compact and portable heater that brings warmth to any space. With its 750W heating power and 2550 BTU output, it effectively warms areas up to 200 square feet, making it ideal for your living room or bedroom. Safety is a priority, as it features overheat protection and is certified for reliability. Additionally, the fireplace's realistic flame effect creates a cozy atmosphere without the noise, allowing you to enjoy its beauty while you work or sleep. Its cool-to-touch top is perfect for holding drinks or snacks, enhancing your comfort and convenience. What we like: portable and compact design, efficient heating for small spaces, overheat protection for safety, realistic flame effect, low noise operation. Number 3. Hearth brand's Electric Fireplace Heater. The Hearth brand space heater combines retro style with modern convenience. Its realistic dancing flame effect not only adds a cozy ambience but also provides effective supplemental heat. You will appreciate its compact and lightweight design, making it easy to move around your home or office. Safety is a priority, with features like tip-over and overheat protection, ensuring the heater shuts off automatically if it gets too hot. The adjustable thermostat allows you to choose between 2 heat settings, efficiently warming up to 400 square feet, so you can enjoy comfort in any room. What we like: realistic flame effect, compact and lightweight, safety features included, adjustable heat settings. Number 4. GOFLAME 13-inch Electric Fireplace Heater. The GOFLAME Mini Fireplace is a compact electric heater designed for versatility and comfort. Its realistic flame effect creates a cozy atmosphere in any room, making it perfect for year-round use, even without heat. You'll appreciate the powerful heating capability, which efficiently warms up to 200 square feet while operating quietly, allowing you to focus on work or study. Additionally, the unit features overheat protection for your safety, automatically shutting off if it gets too hot. Plus, its cool-to-touch wooden surface lets you place items on top without worry, adding convenience to its stylish design. What we like: portable and compact design, realistic flame effect, quiet operation, overheat protection, cool-to-touch surface. Number 5. Comfort Zone Mini Fireplace Heater. Experience the warmth and ambience of the Comfort Zone Fireplace Heater. With its 1200-watt power and 2 heat output settings, this compact heater provides efficient warmth and effective air circulation in medium-sized rooms. The captivating 3D flame effect and realistic bed of burning embers emulate the cozy charm of a traditional fireplace, creating an inviting atmosphere in your living space. The fan-force dispersion design ensures even heat distribution, eliminating cold spots and quickly warming up the entire room. Safety is a top priority, with features such as a tip-over switch and overheat protection sensor. With its cool-to-the-touch body and molded top handle, this portable heater can be easily moved to any room for convenient heat distribution. Enjoy the convenience and comfort of the Comfort Zone Fireplace Heater. What we like: Efficient warmth. Realistic flame effect. Even heat distribution.